So how do you split screen on an iPad in iPadOS 26 and use multiple apps at once? First, make sure you're running the latest software. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and update to iPadOS 26 if needed. Next, go back to Settings, tap Home Screen and Multitasking, then Multitasking, and make sure Allow Multiple Apps is turned on. Now open your first app, press and hold the app window until the resize or multitasking menu pops up. From there, you can drag and slide the app to the side of your screen. Then, choose another app to fill the other half. Another way is to swipe down from the top edge of the app or press and hold the green button at the top. This brings up split view options, letting you add another app instantly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.